Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video, we will talk about securing AI agents with Microsoft Agent 365. I'm just going to fire up my whiteboard to explain this more clearly. All right. Now, we have a user or users in the organization. What they do, they create an AI agent. Okay, and all the users can create multiple AI agents very easily. They have an agent for SQL, they have an agent for HR, and they have an agent for email and etc. Now, as these organizations are deploying AI agents at lightning speed, we are building them to automate workflows, query databases, and talk to external APIs. But behind the scenes, security teams are sweating. Why? Because we are entering the era of agent sprawl. Right? Now, when anyone can build an autonomous agent in Copilot Studio, how do you track them? What happens when an agent accumulates excessive permissions and becomes overprivileged? Or worse, what if an attacker manipulates your agent via a prompt injection attack to abuse a corporate tool? Today, we are whiteboarding how Microsoft Agent 365 solves this using tools you already own. Let's break it down. Now, we have the Agent 365 control plane. All right. Now, underneath it, branch, we have a three arrows leading to three pillars. Okay. Now I'm going to draw a picture. Now we have Agent 365 control plane. We have the Entra, which will be used or take care of identity. Then we'll have Purview, which will take care of data. And then we have Defender, which will take care of the threats. Now, Microsoft Agent is not a brand new or is not an isolated tool you have to learn from scratch. Instead, it is a distributed security model that gives you a single control plane. It embeds purpose-built controls directly into the core portals our team already use: Entra, Purview, and Defender. Now, inside your M365 Admin Center, you get a centralized dashboard showing usage insights and security signals. Now, when an IT team onboards a new agent, they apply a governance policy right at the root, ensuring compliance from minute one. Now, let's look at the first pillar, which is the identity. I'm gonna draw a new picture. Now, for identity, I have Entra, okay, which will enforce least privilege. We should all know what least privilege is. Now, Entra. Now, in an AI agent is essentially a digital employee executing tasks on your behalf. Now, if it does not have a tightly managed identity, it creates massive risk. Microsoft Entra steps in to enforce a strict model of least privilege access. First, Entra gives you a complete inventory of agent identities. It tracks official agents mapped with a unique Entra agent ID. It tracks custom agents you register yourself, and crucially shadow agents that users try to spin up unofficially. Second, Microsoft extends conditional access to these agents, right? So in here I will mention the identity types. In here I'll mention the conditional access. Now at identity types, it's an intra agent ID. Is it custom registered or is it a shadow agent, right? And then for conditional access, I will have the checks, a risk level, and the sensitivity. Now we have data security with Microsoft Purview. I'm going to draw a new picture. Now we have Purview. It is used for governing data and compliance, right? So first, it will have sensitivity labels. And then it has DLP, which is data loss prevention. Now, because these agents are designed to synthesize data, they are primarily target for data exposure. If an agent reads a sensitive file, it might accidentally leak it into an unauthorized user. Microsoft Purview will control exactly what data agents can touch. Now, Purview maps out all agent interactions to flag data risk. The best part, agents automatically inherit and honor the existing sensitivity labels. Now, if a document is labeled confidential, data loss prevention, or DLP policies instantly block the agent from extracting or sharing its contents. Everything is fully logged, audited, and searchable for regulatory compliance. The third part is I have the Defender or my XDR real-time protection. One is that it will do the attack path mapping. Second, it will have the threat detection. Now, what happens when an attacker actively tries to exploit an agent? What if they attempt a prompt injection attack to overwrite the agent's core instructions and misuse an unauthorized corporate tool? That's where Defender XDR, Microsoft Defender XDR comes into play. Defender would map out potential attacks path from a misconfigured or compromised agent straight to the critical assets. If an agent starts exhibiting suspicious behavior, like trying to call a restricted tool or querying unauthorized systems, Defender's real-time threat detection kicks in, generates an alert, and automatically blocks malicious tool actions on the fly. Now, to give you the summary of what Agent 365 is, on top I have Microsoft Agent 365, right? It has my Entra, which is for data. It has Purview, which is for, Entra is for identity, Purview is for data, and Defender for threats, right? Now, the result is of having these Agent 365 equipped with all these things, my result is safely scale enterprise AI, right? Now, securing the AI agent is not about stopping innovation. It's about building a secure foundation so you can scale safely. By using Microsoft Agent 365, we get the identity governance from Entra, right? We get the strict data protection from Purview. We get the real-time threat blocking from Defender. Now, if you are an IT administrator or a senior engineer or a manager or the DEVOPS engineer, which is building the enterprise AI, checking out the Agent 365, read about it in your portal should be your next step. Now, if this whiteboard session helped you visualize the future of AI security, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment below. How is your team handling agent sprawl right now? Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.